Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to send money instantly to friends using Cash App. So, what is an instant friend transfer? When you send money to someone on Cash App using Cash App balance or a linked debit card, the recipients receive funds instantly. Payments through linked credit cards may incur fees and not consider instant transfer. And here's how to make an instant transfer to a friend. Open the Cash App waterfall and tap the dollar tab at the bottom to start a payment. Now enter the amount and in the to field, type your friend's cash tag, phone number or email. Then choose pay using your Cash App balance or debit card and confirm and send, and the funds should arrive instantly to the recipients. And here's a tip to ensure instant delivery. Always use Cash App balance or link debit card for transfer. Credit cards usually add a 3% fees and are not instant. Next, double check the recipient's cash tag or contact info to avoid mistakes. Last, once sent and confirmed, the transfer cannot be reversed. Cash App doesn't support cancellation of complete P2P transaction. So when instant transfer might not work, if you're using standard transfer to bank, those take 1 to 3 business days and are not instant. Some users report issues when banks decline ACH transfer, forcing them to choose instant or wait. And unverified accounts may have low limits, preventing large instant transfer, so verify your identity to increase the limits. And here's a summary. Instant transfer are free and quick if you use Cash App balance or a linked debit card. Avoid credit cards if you want to transfer to be free and immediate, and always double check recipient's detail every time, so mistake may be permanent. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.